Do you dread the thought of hosting brunch? While everyone loves the idea of a morning gathering in theory, the reality often involves standing over a hot stove at 8 a.m., while your eggs go rubbery and the coffee hasn't even finished brewing. In this video, we'll show you how to solve the brunch hosting dilemma with one simple, game-changing appliance. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to host a stress-free morning party using a breakfast sandwich maker. This isn't just a gimmick appliance, it's a countertop device that cooks a full sandwich. Egg, meat, cheese, and bread simultaneously in about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, solving the logistics problem. The traditional brunch hosts face a massive logistics hurdle because every item has a different cook time. You often find yourself scrambling while the toast pops up too early and the guests feel awkward watching you work. A breakfast sandwich maker shifts that labor from you to the machine, allowing you to actually enjoy the company of your friends. Second, consider the self-serve dynamic. To make your party truly effortless, you can shift the cooking process to your guests entirely. When you set up a self-serve sandwich station, guests participate by picking their own ingredients and setting their own timers. It turns a chore into a fun, interactive conversation piece where people linger and talk while their custom meal cooks. Third, evaluate the practical benefits. Using this specific appliance eliminates the need for multiple pans, extra burners, and the intense coordination of cooking eggs to order. Since the non-stick plates wipe clean in seconds and there is no grease splatter on your stovetop, the cleanup is virtually non-existent. Furthermore, making these at home costs roughly $1.50 to $2.50 per person, which is a significant savings compared to cafe prices. Fourth, create an organized station layout. The goal of your setup is for a guest to walk up and know exactly what to do without needing your help. Arrange your ingredients in a natural flow, starting with the bread closest to the machine, followed by proteins, cheeses, and finally the extras. This logical progression prevents bottlenecks and keeps the line moving smoothly. Fifth, prepping your proteins and eggs. Keep your pre-cooked proteins like bacon, sausage, or ham warm in a small, slow cooker or a low-temperature oven. This ensures the texture stays perfect for up to 2 hours without cooling down the sandwich. For the eggs, crack them into a small pitcher with a pour spout the night before, so you can pour them quickly and keep messy shells away from the cooking area. Sixth, preparing the bread and labels. Make the morning easier by pre-slicing your croissants and bagels so guests don't have to wrestle with knives. While English muffins are the most reliable fit for these machines, offering variety adds an elevated feel to the spread. Don't forget to label everything clearly, especially for guests with dietary restrictions, to ensure everyone feels included and safe. Seventh, selecting your main ingredients. You don't need to offer every ingredient under the sun, as too many options can lead to decision fatigue. Aim for 2 or 3 choices of proteins like bacon or plant-based patties, and a few cheese options like sharp cheddar or brie. This curated selection allows for plenty of combinations without overwhelming the table. 8. Adding the extras for flair. Include an extras tray to make your sandwich station truly memorable and intentional. Small bowls of sliced avocado, caramelized onions, pesto, or even fig jam can elevate a simple sandwich into a gourmet meal. These small additions are often what guests remember most about the experience. 9th, featuring signature combinations. To give your guests a helpful starting point, post a small card with a few signature combos they can try. You might suggest a classic with bacon and cheddar, or a brunch babe featuring cream cheese and smoked salmon. For those looking for something unique, an indulgent host, sandwich with sausage, brie, and fig jam is always a huge hit. 10th, catering to all ages and tastes. Ensure you have options that appeal to everyone, including younger guests who might prefer something simpler. A kid's pick using a slider bun with scrambled eggs and mild cheddar is unfussy and universally accepted. This ensures that every person at your brunch, regardless of age, leaves the table satisfied. Finally, keeping the hosting effortless. By moving the cooking from the stove to a dedicated station, you reclaim your morning and enjoy the party you worked so hard to put together. This method turns a high-stress meal into a relaxed, repeatable tradition that your friends will look forward to. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.